Good morning, students. You are welcome to CTY online classes. This is Geography class for ss1. Week 1 topic, Actions of Running Water. The following are the subtopics: terms associated with rivers, processes of river erosion, processes of river transportation, causes of a river. This topic is going to explain to students the ways and manners by which river erodes their materials. Based on the previous knowledge of denudation, which is the process of leveling and lowering of the earth's surface, and as such, rivers are one of the agents of denudation. This explains the importance of this topic. Now, to the subtopics of the main topic. The first one is terms associated with rivers. There are so many terms that are associated with rivers, and these are some of them. 1. Source of a river. This refers to where a river starts or begins, and this is usually around the island areas. Course of a river. Course of a river, this refers to the path or channel through which river flows. Mouth of a river. This refers to where the river ends or where it enters into the sea, the ocean, the lake, or the lagoon. River basin or catchment area. This refers to all the area being drained by a river and its tributaries. Watershed or water divide. This refers to the highland area that separates two or more rivers or two or more river basins. It is also from the watershed that rivers take their source. River regime. This refers to the seasonal changes in the volume of water in a river in a year. Confluence of a river. This refers to the meeting point of two different rivers. Tributaries. These are smaller rivers or streams that join together to form a larger one. These tributaries. These are channels formed by the division of a river as it flows into the sea. They are usually found in delta region of a river. River energy. This refers to the velocity or speed of a river. The efficiency of a river to erode and transport the eroded materials depend very much on its velocity. Order of a river. This refers to the number of tributaries that a river has before it gets to the sea or joins another river. Now, factors affecting velocity of a river. The volume of the river or the volume of water released, the higher the volume of water released, the higher the speed of the river, and vice versa. That is, when the volume of water released is high, the speed of the river also is high. Velocity of a river is seasonal dependent. Slope of the river channel. The steeper the slope, the higher the velocity of the river. Shape of the river valley. A river uses more energy to flow through a wide and flat valley than a narrow or deep valley. In other words, when the river valley is very shallow, the river flows easily and the speed increases. While the valley of the river is flat or wide, the river will need or require more energy to flow through such a valley. Amount and size of material. The greater the speed of the river, the greater the amount of load it can carry. In essence, river carries more load when the speed of the river is very high, while it carries fewer loads when the speed is very slow. Processes of river erosion. This is going to explain to us different ways by which river erodes their materials, and these include hydraulic action. This takes place when the river channel is scoured and materials are carried along by the shear force of the running water. Corrosion. This is the wearing away of the sides and floor of the river by the aid of boulders, pebbles, sand, and silt, which are being carried or transported by the river. Attrition. This is the wearing down of the load itself because of contact with the floor and banks of the streams, and by the other materials being transported by the river. The last one is solution. This is the solvent and the chemical action of river water on the materials with which it comes in contact with. E.g., calcium carbonate in limestone is easily dissolved and being moved in solution. Processes of river transportation. This refers to the ways and manners by which river carries its loads. The loads or materials of rivers are carried in a number of ways. 1. Through suspension. This is when smaller particles are carried on the surface of the water. This can be appreciated when we see the yellowish appearance of our local rivers during a heavy rainfall. Saltation. Larger particles are moved in a series of ups and jumps along the stream bed. Traction. Much larger fragments are rolled or pushed along the stream. Solution. This is when dissolved materials are carried in soluble. Stages or courses of rivers. There are 3 main stages of rivers, and these are the upper stage, which is also known as the island or mountain stage or the useful stage. These stages are usually occur at the island areas, and the main work of rivers at the upper stage is purely erosional characteristics. Number 2, the middle stage. This is also known as the valley or the mature stage. At this stage, the main work of river is transportation. The last stage is called the lower stage. This is also known as the plain or the old age stage. At this stage, the main work of the river is deposition of materials. At different stages of the river, there are different characteristics and features that are formed. All this shall be discussed at the next lesson. Wishing you the best of Ramadan and best of holiday. Thank you and God bless. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.